Hey, I'm Linda Ugelow, and I joined the Top 3 Book Workshop because I really wanted to get my book written. And it wasn't happening. It had gotten started with a lot of inspiration and a lot of motivation, and then I had gotten stuck and I didn't know how to move it forward until I joined this program. And having this weekly accountability, having the weekly lessons, and understanding about the writing process in a way I never understood before really emancipated me and freed me up to actually get the writing done. And even though it's not as fast as I would have liked, even though it's still work, I now have a process that feels fun and enjoyable instead of drudgery and dredge, as I said. Now, I have to admit, had a bit of reluctance in joining the program because I have taken several programs before on the marketing side of books, and I thought, oh, this is going to be redundant for me. And in truth, I am familiar with a lot of the things that AJ has said, but it's gone so much further beyond what I've known before, and in particular, having it broken down has given me the opportunity to make headway in some of these things rather than having it be in just one big folder on the computer or in the back of my brain taking up mental space. So I am so indebted for this program. It's one of the best things I've ever done, any kind of course, and I just feel so hopeful now that I am going to hit that finish line and create a book that's really worth reading. I can't recommend this program highly enough. It's worth every single penny.